Hello! You've not seen me for a while. You might have noticed. Some of you might have noticed. Other people will be like, what's he talking about? Basically, I'm back. I was away on a little bit of a spiritual adventure in Nepal for about 5 weeks. And I broke that not working thing by coming to Tallinn. It's my lovely hotel room. I'm about to leave actually. And doing a bit of mentoring with the Storytech Accelerator, which is a creative tech accelerator. So if you're into that stuff, you should maybe check them out. So while I was away, I wasn't thinking too much about this or work or anything at all. But some ideas have popped into my head in the past few days of more kind of blocks of series of videos that might be useful for you guys if you are still interested in learning Python and data analysis with it. So that is what's going to come up the next few weeks. I just need a bit of time to think about what actually has to be in that series, how big it's going to be, probably what I'm going to call it, although I think I've got an idea of what I'm going to call it. Yeah, so I'm back. I'm not a ghost, I'm not gone. I was just improving myself, and now I'm ready for the next step. All right, I will see you all soon. Ciao.